Hey, what's up, guys? This is Shamrat once again in front of you, and today I'm gonna say how important is making video, and if you make video, and what type of facility you will get for this video. And making video is really crucial habit, and everyone should have. Suppose if you want to develop your communication skill, or if you want to be a content creator, and nowadays as we know that our days growing faster, and we have got internet. Through this internet we have huge social media and so on, huge platform, and we can contribute there, and through that we can get money also. So how important making video, if it's a skill, I can say, if you have this kind of skill, then you can easily get money wherever you are belong, and you can easily like elaborate anything, and you can represent your environment that is surrounding you, as well any types of content you can create if you have this skill. So I can say, as you English learner, so my suggestion is that try to make video every day, which is so effective, and it will help you a lot. There are plenty of benefit of making video. It's really tricky to make video fast. Like, you may get some frustrated, you may feel like literally shy, but you have to recover your shyness, and you have to remove your shyness. So how you can remove your shyness? If you make video, that's gonna help you to remove your shy. So if I talk about my activities, and when I was begin, at that time was really difficult to talk in front of camera, and I didn't talk that way. Still I'm talking. It was really difficult. That was really rocket science for me. But nowadays I feel like really jolly, and I feel like comfortable. But though I'm learning day by day, I'm removing my shy nervousness, and so yeah, that's I'm saying, guys. You have to you have to remove your shyness if you want to be good speaker or content creator, or a person who wanna represent that is surrounding everywhere, surrounding you. And if you would like to discover new thing, then this is skill mandatory of you. Suppose you have meeting or Zoom meeting or somewhere, so you have through this online you have to do say something. Then if you haven't this quality, this I can say, okay, this is skill, then you may frustrated. So it's really crucial to remember, and remember that you have to make video, you have to gain this knowledge. And by the way, you can see here is one of my brothers is coming. That's why I feel like literally shy. So yes, my brother is going over there, and but I don't want to stop my space, because I want to remove my shy. So it's on kind of challenge. It's really challenge that whenever someone is going over there, or the person is coming, or the person is in front of us or beside us, at the time we feel like really shy, nervous. So it's kind of happen. So this problem also, I'm also suffocating for that, but I'm trying to remove my shyness as well, my nervousness, and I know be fluent, and I wanna gain this knowledge anyhow. Okay, so must guys pray for me, and I always pray for you guys. If you wanna remove your shyness, or if you would like to boost up your communication skill, must you have to make video. And instead of making video, you can also I can say try it talking in front of mirror, which is also beneficial. You can see your facial expression, your talking style, everything. But if you make video, that is really like that will help you more than that. Who I am saying, it has reason that when you will see something, then the video will record it, and you can see where is your weakness, and where is the strength, or what should you do, and how people react from your speech, and you can easily identify where is your fault, and you can recover your fault. That's what I'm saying. Try to make video every day, at least 1 or 2 videos. Yeah, that's gonna help you a lot, guys, believe me. Okay, so that's all for now.